What is up, you guys? It's your girl Caleithia, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I ordered these acrylics off of this website that I have seen on YouTube and Instagram. So when I had the money, I decided to order some because, as you guys know, I've been wanting and I have been practicing acrylics with the Kiss acrylics. And now that I've gotten better, I think that it's time to upgrade my products a little bit so I can work with more advanced products. So I got some acrylics to start off, and then I'm gonna just keep getting stuff whenever I get the chance. So it came in today. This is the packaging, and I did mark off my address, but I'm still gonna put my hand over it because I just want to make sure that you can't see it. But this is the website. It's called www. I don't even have to read that, but Nail Supply Glamour. If you just type that in your Safari, it'll pop up. And it came wrapped like this, like literally, it was wrapped like this. My mom just took it out the mailbox and was like, "Caleithia, your package is here." So, yeah. So I'm just gonna open it. I'm really excited. It's actually been. I actually let it sit on my desk for like a good 2 hours because she woke me up, so I went back to sleep. And she flat ironed my hair, so I just let it sit here. Dang, this is some tough paper. Ooh. Ouch, this is some tough paper. So I can tell that it's in a white box. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, these are my mom's scissors, but those aren't working. That's because they're more of like nail scissors. Okay. These aren't working either. Alright. You don't have to see the rest. I'm just gonna take it out right quick. Okay. So this is the box. And I get the receipt. You guys don't have to see that. Yeah. You get the receipt, but like I said, you don't have to see that. Okay, so this is this is what it looks like. That's the logo. So yeah, all you have to do is just type in nailsuppliglamour.com. And it should pop up. So this is the box, and I'm gonna try to use these big scissors. Ooh, that's so cool. It comes with these little thingies. I know, guys, I'm like overly excited. That's because I used to not be able to order stuff because my mom wouldn't let me. And even though I ordered a polygel kit and stuff, this is acrylic, so I'm like more excited. So I'm gonna read the colors to you guys. I got 3 colors, which I think are like the main 3 colors you really kind of need to start with or should start with. Ooh. Sorry, guys, my thing was recording in portrait. But I'm going to read the colors to you guys in case you go to their website and need to know what to search in if you're looking for the same colors I got. So, the first one, and the reason why this one is bigger than these two is because this is the clear. This is called Glamour Acrylic Clear, and I got it in 2 ounces because clear is like the main one that you should have a lot of. So I got a bigger one in clear, and that one, how much was it? Oh, it doesn't show me the price. Then I got some Milky White. This is Glamour Milky White Acrylic Powder, 1 ounce. So yeah, I got a Milky White. Cause you can do like ombres with these colors and like marble with white. So that's why I got these main colors. And then you have this Glamour Natural Pink Cover Acrylic Powder, 1 ounce. So these are 1 ounce. And this is clear. I want to open them. Ooh. Does it have a seal on it? Yes, it does. Okay. That's what it looks like. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. So yeah, I got little ones because I am still a beginner. So this is a lot compared to, I'm about to show you. Compared to these, this is the Kiss acrylics that I started off with. And these are the smallest you can get in the acrylics on their website. And this is a 0.33 ounce. So this is a difference from what I usually got with the Kiss. But yeah, this is a lot for me because I'm still a beginner. Let's open the Milky White. Milky White looks like clear a little bit, but it's obviously not. And it's obviously going to be white because it's Milky White. And this is the clear. Oh, I just noticed that it's spelled crystal with the K. Is it like that on the paper? Oh, it doesn't even say crystal clear, it just says clear. I like their jars. So yeah, as you can see, the clear is white because it's clear. But once you put the monomer on it, it's obviously going to be clear. If that makes sense. Hopefully I explained that good enough for you guys. Oh, sorry. Oh, hold on, wait. Yeah, I ordered these August 7th. Okay, and today is... What's today? Today is... like the 16th, I think. Because I start school tomorrow. But where's my total? I don't think it's going to say that either. But I do remember it came out to like $20-something for just these 3 things. And these are like $5 and this is like $6. I can't exactly remember, but you know I got you guys. So I'm going to put the pictures on the screen of the crystal, the Milky White, and the natural pink cover. I would swatch these for you guys, but I don't have any Kiss monomer. And I don't think I'm going to order regular, like a big thing of monomer from online right now, unless I get some more money. But you can still use the Kiss acrylic monomer with these. So yeah, I really do like these. I love the jar. The jar is like so like, I don't know if this is glass. It's either like glass or like a hard plastic or something. But yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to actually do my nails with these. But there's still a lot of things that I still need. Like I need a good acrylic brush. I need monomer, and I definitely want and need a drill and a UV lamp, a better UV lamp, cause I've been, hold up. I'm trying to show you guys. I've been thugging it with this little UV lamp that came with the polygel kit, and it's raggedy, and I thought it broke for good on me, but I was able to fix it up a little bit. As you can see, the top is not on it. You can see the wires and stuff because I've been getting it to work. So I definitely need to get a new UV lamp, but it's going to take time and it's a process. I don't have a job, so whatever money I do get, I do try to get stuff for my nails because that's something I really want to do. But I've been doing polygel kits a lot. I've been doing polygel nails a lot. Haven't did acrylic set in a minute. But I do have a compilation video of all the nail designs I've done this year. Sorry. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video, give it a big thumbs up. and I'll link their website in the description so you guys can go check them out. So yeah, they have a lot of stuff on their website. They have Mia Secret brand stuff. They have glow acrylics, glow polygels, regular polygels, glitters, glitter acrylics, monomers, dampen dishes, brushes, monomer. I think I already said that, but yeah, nail art stuff. They have so much stuff. It's like if you was to like go in like a regular store in person, you have everything. So yeah, but give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below some video ideas. And if you are watching this and you got this far, please comment some video ideas, because I do read the comments. I still heart comments from my videos a year or 2 years ago. When I get comments on them, I still heart them and I still reply. So make sure to comment down below a video idea you want to see from me. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I'll try to put them in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I did post a story of me getting my stuff in the mail, and as you can see at the top left corner, they reposted my story. Hey TikTok, it's like nah. I'm coming to you guys with another nail tutorial. This is gonna be the first one on this account. I think this video is self-explanatory, but I'm still gonna explain some things. So I got these acrylics in the mail, and if you follow me on my Instagram, you already seen it. Now this video was recorded like a while ago. I'm pretty sure you already seen me doing dances in these nails, and I've been recorded the making of them. I just never did the voiceover to post it. But this is my first attempt at ombre nails, and this is one of the places I messed up at. So I'm still learning, as you guys know, and I don't have a nail drill, so I know they look bumpy and stuff, and you know the shape is not the best. But I had to work with what I have. I don't have money and I don't have a job, so I can't go out and buy expensive nail stuff. So I make with what I have, and this is the end result. I know I didn't explain anything that I did, but you get it. Bye.